by one sentence, just by one sentence, my brain has just stopped working. You all will say why? Because there is a sentence which says matter cannot be created nor be destroyed. How come? We create so many new items and we destroy also many. But how can you say that matter cannot be created, it cannot be destroyed, matter only transfers energy? I didn't understand that only. Can you all tell me? Please. You all also don't know. Okay then. No option. Only one option is there. That I will have to today make an experiment, design an experiment by which we all will understand that matter cannot be created nor be destroyed. Only it can transfer, energy is transferred from one state to other. So let's get started. Today's video is going to be totally conceptual. It has a lot of meaning in today's video. So don't skip the video. Watch from starting to end. And what you need to do is like, share, subscribe. Only this much. So let's get started, guys. I will prepare for the materials. Till then, you watch the intro. What I have taken for this experiment, the materials I have taken are some salt. You can see it is clear salt. Then some water. And the last thing which is very important is a weighing machine. So guys, I'll keep showing you all the weight, like the mass of the water and everything, so that you all understand. Now what we will do first, I will make this 0 and on grams. So you can see over here, if I show you all, so you all can see this is 0 grams. Now what we will do is, yes. Now as this is 0, what I will do is, I will add some water into this. This is 0 gram. So I'll add water into this. So some water added. Yeah. Now you all can see. Now after adding the water, the weight has become, can you all see over here? The weight is 436, 435 and it is rolling over there. So now what we have to do? Now this salt. Now when I drop this salt, it will just mix with the water. So you all can say the matter will be destroyed. Correct? So let's test this. Now what I am doing is, I'll show you all more closer. What I'll do is now, I'll add some water over here. This way. Can you all see? What I am doing is, I am adding some salt. This way. You can see after adding the salt, I will give this a quick stir. And the salt should just disappear from our, it should just mix with the water. So we have to just keep mixing it. And I'll mix and come to you all. Now what I did, I just kept mixing it for some time and then the salt just dissociated the water and then the salt disappeared. So we can say we have destroyed the matter. Yes, we did it. Now let's check the weight first. Let's check it. Just, can you all see the weight? Oh, the weight has increased. First it was 435, 436, 437. It was rolling over there. And as I added salt, as I mixed it with the water, it became 470. It is approximately 467, 469. But it has, if we round it up, so it has become 470. Just imagine, guys. The salt has disappeared, but the water's weight increased. Now, why this happened? Because, see, I didn't just throw away the salt. What I did, I mixed the salt with water. So, the weight of the salt mixed with the water, so maybe the salt might be off. If we count it, so it may be about 30 to 40 gram, yeah. So, that 30 to 40 gram was added into this. And as this was added, so the waste of the water increased. Interesting, right? So from this experiment we understand that matter cannot be destroyed. It transfer energy. But by one experiment we don't feel that it can be real. Maybe there might be some mistake. Let's move to another experiment. I'll show that to you all and you all will think in the next experiment, I think that the matter will be destroyed. So once more I'll show you all the weight and then we'll move to second experiment. Can you all see the weight? Of course, yes. So hope you all saw the weight, and this determines that salt contains weight. So when it is mixed, the weight in the water increases. Okay, so now let's move to the second experiment. For the second experiment, what I have done, I have added the paper over here. Then the weight of the paper is 9 gram. Now what we have to do is, for this experiment, what we have to do, we have to just burn the paper and then see the results. I'll show you all again the weight. Taken paper, fold it, add 9 grams is the weight. Let me show you all. 9 grams is the weight. Now I'll just burn it with the matchstick. I'll keep one part of the paper over here this way. Yes. Yeah. So I have taken a matchstick. You all can see. And just light it up. This has to be done under adult supervision. Oh man. So guys, I have lighted it up and now the reaction is beginning, but due to the water vapor presence in the atmosphere, it is not burning very properly. Now guys, after burning this up, it has started burning. There is smoke coming out. You all can see that. I'll burn it once more. Oops. Guys, it has started its reaction and I'll let it burn and then come to you all. There was just a very much quantity of smoke which came out of the fire, like the paper. And now if I show you all the paper, you won't think this as a paper, but yes, that's the paper. It is super hot, so I'm touching it with this spoon and you all can see, guys. You will say, we have destroyed matter. Yeah, but no. Sorry to say, guys, but we are unsuccessful in this experiment. We are not able to destroy the matter. That's real in the books. Books are correct that we will never be able to destroy matter. It is only a transfer of energy. Now what is this? This applies in this experiment. Transfer of energy means heat energy is transferred from over there here. So what we did, we converted the solid paper into vapors, steam, gas, solid to gas, which is also called sublimation. Solid directly to gas. We didn't convert this to liquid and then gas. We directly converted this to gas. So, do you all think that really this 0 gram is due to we destroyed the matter? No. That whole 10 grams is into the air now. It has mixed with the air around us. So, books are correct, we are wrong. That matter cannot be destroyed. It's true that matter can never be destroyed. It neither can be created. Okay. So, hope you all liked the video. It was I felt the video very good. Hope you all liked the video. If yes, what you need to do is like, share, subscribe, and if you want to do this experiment, you have to do it in parent supervision. That is compulsory. So, meet you in next video. Till that time, bye bye.